This scenario is an engine room just before the handover between third engineer and fourth engineer.
Checking my gates and logs. Alright, third engineer, it's almost time for handover. How's everything looking on your end?
Everything's been running smoothly so far, third. I did a round just before coming in, and all the machinery seems to be in good order.
Great to hear. Let's go through the logbook. I completed my checks of the main engine, auxiliary generators, and the fuel oil system before the start of my watch. Did you follow up on the fuel oil's temperature readings?
Yes, I did. The temperature is within normal range, around 48 degrees Celsius. Any issues I should be aware of?
Just a couple of things to know. There was a minor vibration from the port side generator. I've logged it for observation. Keep an eye on it during your watch.
Will do. I'll make sure to monitor it closely. How's the lubrication system?
The lube oil levels are fine, but make sure you check them again after earlier runs. The purifier was cleaned just before my watch finished, so the levels should stay stable.
Got it. I'll make note of that. How about the seawater pump?
It was running without any issues, but the strainer was a bit clogged. I cleaned it out, so it should be fine now. But double check in your watch just to be safe.
Understood. I'll take the strainer around during rounds. Anything else to report?
Just a reminder about the fuel tank level monitoring. We're scheduled for a fuel transfer at 7200. Make sure to keep the levels balanced.
Will do. I'll set a reminder for the transfer. Is there anything I should be aware of the upcoming maintenance work?
Right. The purifiers will need maintenance tomorrow at 1000. Make sure to prepare the spares and notify the chief engineer beforehand.
Noted. I'll have everything ready for that.
Alright, I think that covers it. Do you have any questions?
No questions from my side, third. Thank you for the thorough handover.
No problem. Just keep an eye on everything and let me